Hey YouTube, I'm new here, so let me introduce myself. I'm Michael. I'm your Android tech guy, and today I'm going to show you how to increase your internal memory. First step, you need a rooted phone. If you don't know how to root your device, there's a bunch of tutorials on YouTube, so you can search her up before you can watch this video. Second, you need Folder Mount. Folder Mount is an app on Play Store that is free, so you can go to Play Store and download it, and then you have it on your phone. Third, you need to go to My Files, and you need to go to Settings and check how many device memory have you been using or you have been used. So go to Application Manager. As you can see, I'm already using up to 1.2 gigabyte. I'm only half a gigabyte free. So I'm gonna go to Folder Mount. Once you open Folder Mount, you need root access, and then go to Apps Analyzer. It's reading my apps. List of my apps, so you will just wait. Okay. So there are the my games or apps. Now these are the top two commonly high megabytes apps, or whatever you call them. First, you want to click the first game you want. Click create pair and click yes. Click the check button, and then it's already created, and it's already been cleaned. But don't be scared, your data is not deleted. It's only gonna create a pair on your external SD card, which is your memory card. And it will basically, the phone will think that you're using your internal memory card as the folder on the data. Now we're gonna do the same on the OBB file. Yes, and then click check. Your source directory is empty. Would you like me to move the files to the destination and possibly overwrite destination files? Click yes. If it no, sorry. After moving the created file, now follow my step. And games, see, or I got to install the on free app. Now let's check on the notification. Still okay, it's 100. And finish moving Card Wars OBB file. So we're gonna do the same thing on this game, Attack the Light. So we're gonna decrease our memory. Create pair, yes, and then click the check button. Do the same in the OBB file, yes, and then check, yes. It's gonna move files. As I said, don't on the cause say finish moving Attack the Light OBB file. Now you want to go to back list of pairs, and then you should see all of this, this. Now you should see a little pin button here. Click that button, and it should pair all of your data. And that's it. Then let's see the settings. Oops, sorry. You gotta go to settings, go to application manager, and let's see how many are left. You see, it's been removed. I only use 0.90 gigabytes used, and it's almost half of and then it's done. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you like it, and then please like and subscribe. If you want another video on how to root your phone, please comment it, and I'm gonna show you how to root your phone. Thanks guys, see you, bye.